Okay, guys, welcome back to week two. Looking at the French Revolution once again, but this time we're going to look at one individual in particular. That is Napoleon Bonaparte. If you think of France, like if someone talks about France or historical France, normally Napoleon is the guy that comes to mind. So we want to make sure we know about him and a few things that you guys will be able to take away and use in your everyday life. So. This week's assignment, I should say, it's just a question. Okay, and the question is, what is Napoleon's greatest success and what was his greatest failure? And I want you to provide reasons why you picked your answer. So basically, always have to answer the why, always give reasons or examples why you chose the answer you did. It's opinion based, so you're not wrong. You can choose almost anything as long as you can back up your reasoning with some sort of evidence. Again, make sure your answer is 50 words minimum to receive credit. And this assignment, just like everyone, is 10 points. Now, I have attached some material for you guys to look at to help you answer your question as best you can. Some of them are short, some of them are long, but again, you have the whole week to get it done. So it's not like you have to sit there the whole day and grind it out. I just have a video on the brief history of the Napoleonic Wars. That one's only 6 minutes long. I have the History Channel article on Napoleon, so you can do a little reading there. I believe there's some videos embedded in that one, so you can kind of follow along a little bit more. But read through the article on Napoleon. It's kind of a little brief biography on the guy. And then obviously I threw up the Engineering and Empire video, France, where they talk about Napoleon a lot, and you'll kind of get good context of who he is, what he does, his strengths, his weaknesses, and that'll really help you answer the question. And again, that one's a 50-minute video, just like we would watch in class, but you can break it up, right? You don't have to watch the whole 50 minutes in one setting. You have the whole week to basically look at 2 hours worth of stuff, okay? So basically, you get 2 days of work, which would normally be 5 days of work, okay? So you get a pretty sweet deal there. Watch the videos, read the link to the Napoleon on the History Channel article. After you've done all that, answer the question using full sentences in 50 words minimum. So, of course, you can go over 50 words, but 50 words minimum is what you need to do. Turn it in. I'll look at it, grade it, and get it back to you, hopefully, before you guys even think about starting week 3. Again, the assignment is due Sunday night, April 12th at 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me. I'll be right there for you guys to help you out. I'm logged in 8 to 3 every day. But besides that, guys, have a good week. Have fun learning this stuff. I know it's pretty interesting. Hope you guys are doing good, and I'll talk to you guys later.